Now we're upstairs. Kinds of bodywork stuff. Hammers, dollies, spoons. Bonnie. 7/32 and 3/16 Utica. Big ass ratcheting wrenches. Saws, punches, drill bits.
You need any help by any chance?
Oh no, I'm good. Alright fellas, they do have some toolboxes here. Old ratcheting crow's foot. More boxes. Boxes full of boxes. Oh yeah, if you're in Kansas City, there you go. 301 West 8th Street, Kansas City, Missouri, 64105. You guys have to come down here and take a look at it for yourself. It's even better in person. Putty knives. Oh, that's just for their bathroom. Never mind. Scratch that. Big old SK non-wiring hammers. Big old Wildy clutch tool. And as you can tell, they've got pallets of more stuff just sitting waiting. I just got through talking to a guy about all the pallets they had, and they got a lot more in. Craftsman USA. More Craftsman USA. All this stuff, you know, Craftsman doesn't do USA anymore. They have the Craftsman USA though. Vaughn. Hatchets. Ball peenings. Gravik. 48 ounces. Look at all these punches. Roll pin punches, regular punches, alignment punches, chisels. Oh yeah, there's even punches and chisels underneath the tables. Bottles. WD-40. That's probably the old stuff that's still light on fire. No machining squares. PEC crescent screwdrivers. Crescent ratcheting screwdrivers. Lutz. And look at all these crow's feet. Granco, more Granco, 2 and 15/16. 3/8 crow's feet. Bonnie, 3/8, 11/16. Look at all that Bonnie crow's feet. And there's more crow's feet and more crow's feet. Not only do they have your singles, but they have your sets. Uh-oh. Parking meter is about to run out. More Bonnie. Even more crow's feet. Crow's feet. SK 7/8 angle wrench. SK 13/16 angle wrench. Lug all winch hoists. Here's some screwdrivers. Pratt Reed. Made in USA. 3/16 by 3. Old school Kansas City. Rolls of punches. Got files. Irwin. Here's some SK stuff. Older Torx. Plastic handle. USA made. Alright. Funny story real quick. Downstairs filming. Met a guy who watched my video. Of course, he didn't recognize me because I didn't have the goggles on. But he did recognize the voice. So Big old magnets. Brass hammers. Channel locks. Grinco. Harry Epstein and Company. Look at that. You know I gotta get one of them. More boxes. Proto screwdrivers. Vice grips. Orvin. New pneumatic gun there. HJE water pump pliers. Right there. Made by Wildy Tool Company. Facom soft face mallets there. No faces on them yet though. More of these, what are these? Yep, Wildy. More Wildy wrenches. Craftsman. More Torx. Boxes and boxes. More screwdrivers. Diamond. Big diamond. Automotive. Look like more proto screwdrivers. The cabinet tipped. Long guys. More steel. Straight edges. Of course you can measure with them too. More chisels. Craftsman. More proto screwdrivers. There's Crescent automotive wrench. Oh, no hammering, no extensions. Yeah, right. There's another diamond. More diamond. Tools by the crate. More bar clamps, more vice grips. Some of them made in China. General inspection kit. So yeah, they have the Husky name, lifetime warranty, made in USA, T-handled screwdriver. You take her out of there, put her in here to work her as a screwdriver. Got a real stubborn one you need to put some weight on. Throw it in the T-handle. Flat rate boxes, shipping. Right, got some lights, all kinds of funnels, flex spouts, more general calipers. I also have Michigan step ladders. Drop lights, big files, big tool, Wildy Whitco, yep, like some magnets, nope, mirrors, Huffy bicycles, Bonnie branded angle wrenches. Oh, what's this guy? Oh yeah, Bonnie, 2-inch. And some galvanized pails here. Garden hose. Here's your Homac boxes. Cantilevers. Here's your old just carry along toolbox there. And the elevator. Pallets. And pallets. Husky extractor. You know, cotter pin pullers. More your Greivik pry bars. Got some Wildy tin snips. More Husky USA screwdrivers. Proto screwdrivers. More Greivik brick hammers. These are all punches. All Craftsman USA. All kinds of different sizes. I got them by the pallet, so if you like Craftsman, you liked it back when it was USA made. HJ, they got it. And more hammer handles. Got some more bottle jacks. You can't see much over here, but these are all sockets and yeah, all sockets. And some different brushes up there. floor brushes, bench brushes. This looks like my work area. Soldering tips, vice grip iron, workers pliers, Klein ratcheting box wrenches, 25-inch pound torque wrench, Skyway Precision Tool Company, Los Angeles, California. 3/8 torque wrench adapter, more crow's feet, Granco, Klein tools, 5/8 combination wrench. Got some Challenger hex sockets. Got your old wood box planes. Got your old braces, Automotive wrench and hammers, more box planes. Belzer. I think that's German. I got the SK screwdrivers, I just got a set of those. These were back in the day. Look, you can see it says France right there. Back when SK was owned by Facom. There's Belzer. It's a semi-offset, semi-deep offset combination wrench. More SK stuff. More gear wrench. More punches. Got a pallet of Gravik nail pullers here. Well, quarter pallet. More individual sockets. More sets of sockets. I don't recognize that mark there. It looks kind of like a V and an A. But it's a Torx made in USA. Came in one of these like Lyle style holders. Little Bonnie wrenches. More big punches. Flexible magnets. More little thin wrenches. These are actually offset. So you don't have to bend your good ones. You can buy a good one. These are USA made. You can still bend your cheap ones, but you don't have to bend your good ones. More steel rules, long drill bits, more of the Pratt Reed sets, hole punches, making gaskets or leather. Oh hey, I have that shirt. Don't have this one though. Oh, that's SK. There's a Facom double offset box. SK semi-deep offset box. More punches, more chisels. Got really long chisels, even longer chisels. Craftsman USA, even more punches. Got some of your magnets here. Got some big thin wrenches. Can't see what they say. Ammo crates. It's full of cable. And then yeah, a whole bunch more of all your pin punches and roll punches. Aisles and aisles. There's even underneath open boxes. And these are all the Craftsman USA